This is grade 6 final exam review.
Okay, can someone please read the text? Yes, Karen? Read part of it. I'll have someone else read the other part.
Lightning and thunder. During a powerful storm, you can see bolts of lightning cut across the sky and hear the powerful boom of thunder that follows. But did you know that many, many years ago, lightning and thunder lived on Earth? They walked on the ground just like you and me. Lightning was a ram, his mother Thunder was a ewe. Lightning and thunder lived in a village in the grasslands of Africa. The villagers used the grasses to make their homes. Now, Lightning was not the nicest of rams. He had a terrible temper and often fought with the villagers. In retaliation, he would let loose a fiery bolt of lightning as revenge. The grass homes would catch on fire, and if that wasn't bad enough, Thunder would roar angrily at his son for the damage he had caused. Between the fires and the noise, the villagers grew understandably upset.
Abbas?
In desperation, the people of the village went to their king for help. You must do something, they pleaded. We cannot live this way any longer. The king finally gave into their pleas and banished lightning and thunder to the outskirts of the village. He told them to leave the people alone. But lightning still encountered the villagers. The angry ram fought with anyone who passed by. Once more, lightning and thunder were brought before the king. This time, the king banished them to the wilderness beyond the village. But this only made lightning angrier. One burst of lightning from his mighty horn set the entire meadow on fire. A strong wind carried the flames into the village. Crops burned to the ground. All the while his mother Thunder roared his disapproval.
Roared in disapproval. Continue, Allah.
The king had enough. Finally, he banished lightning and thunder from earth. They were sent to live in the sky forever, far away from people, where hopefully they were unable to cast for their home. For their home. The king meant well, but from time to time, lightning still manages to turn down his fiery bolt, and you can hear his mother Thunder roaring and rumbling at her unruly son.
Okay. Can you read, please?
What type of genre is
Genre?
this passage?
Okay.
Myth.
It's a myth. Very good. Okay, or the second part of number 1. Who can read? Yes, Linda.
Give examples that help you find the genre. Myths often include non-human characters, like thunder and lightning, as they said in the story, who may offer explanation for natural occurs. As they said here, lightning still manages to send down his fiery bolt.
Excellent answer. Offers information about natural occurrences. It's a folk tale. It's not a real story. It's made up and it's usually passed from generation to generation. Now I want someone to answer this question here. What causes lightning to let loose bolts of lightning? What causes this? Who can tell me what causes lightning to let loose bolts of lightning? Why does he start to throw lightning at others? Yes, Abbas.
Because he's angry from the village.
Okay.
He has a terrible temper. He has a terrible temper, and he often fought with the villagers.
Okay, he's angry with the villagers. He has a terrible temper. Excellent. Okay, what is the effect of lightning's actions after he lets loose bolts of lightning? What happens? Yes, Tala.
The grass leaves would catch on fire.
That's one effect. Is there another effect?
No.
Another effect.
thunder with bolt.
Yes, his mother gets angry. Okay, very good. طيب, let's do number 3. Who can read? Muhammad Ali?
What is an aspect of lightning action of the event?
No, number 3.
Excuse me.
Oh, excuse me.
He's descended from the passage. In retaliation, he would let loose his fireball of lightning as revenge. Which clue word from the sentence help to explain what retaliation means?
Which is the clue word here? What's the clue word? Revenge. Yes, correct. Revenge. It's okay. Okay, so the clue word is revenge, and so retaliation. What does retaliation mean?
Revenge.
Okay, very good. Now, what is the last thing the king does to try to solve the problem in the passage? What is the last thing he does?
He sent them to live in the sky forever.
Okay, he sent thunder and lightning to live in the sky.
He banished and even banned them from the wilderness.
He sent thunder and lightning.
To live in the sky forever.
And they were banished. Yeah.
Sky. Okay. How do you know that the problem in the passage did not get solved?
Miss, because they said
Yes, Sajid.
from the time to time lightning still manages to send down his fiery bolts, and you can hear his mother thunder roaring and rumbling and at her unruly son.
Very good. So so that lightning still sends down bolts of lightning, so the problem was never solved. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's do the vocabulary. Fill in the blanks. The diamonds blank as we walk in the cave. What do the diamonds do?
Glimmer.
Glimmer. Excellent. And what does it mean to glimmer?
To shine. Sparkle.
Very good. As we walk in the cave with a blank heat. What kind of heat? Stifling. And what does it mean, stifling?
It's really hot.
Okay. We knew we could overcome or blank in our journey. What does it mean to overcome? Prevail. Excellent. Okay. Through the empty and blank desert. Deserted. Can you also say desolate? So there's more than one answer to this. Desolate. Although we had a blank, excess amount of water. Excess amount. Surplus. Very good. Okay. Of water we had no food and thus no blank to nourish us.
Nutrients.
Excellent. Nutrients. To nourish us in the blank of this harsh journey. If it's harsh, it's what? Harsh means tough, yes. What else? What kind of word did we use that means harsh, hard, tough? Excellent. Rigors of the harsh journey. Okay, we were blank and had no idea. If you have no idea about something, you are?
Oblivious.
Very good. And the snake was following us the whole time. We only noticed it when we all. If you are all doing something, you are doing it collectively. Excellent, Abbas. Collectively. We couldn't break the rules, and what are rules?
rules.
Regulation.
Excellent. Okay, they are also principles, as you said, Abbas, but that's not one of the words in the list. Now, I made you a big list of words. Does it mean that you should study only the ones that are in the fill in the blank ones?
No.
Okay, so you should study all of these words, but does it mean that all of them will come in the exam?
No.
No. But what can you use the vocabulary words for?
Make a text.
An paragraph. Essay.
In your essay, in your comprehension, can you use vocab?
Yeah.
So the more vocabulary you learn, the easier it is it will be to express yourself.
Yeah.
Okay? All right, let's go to the next slide.
Can I read?
Yes, go ahead, Muhammad.
Read each sentence. Circle the linking verb, underline a predicate noun once and a predicate adjective twice.
Okay, let's look at these three. Can you read number 1?
He is famous for inventing many uses for peanuts and sweet potatoes.
Do you know which part of the sentence is he?
Is the linking verb.
Excellent.
The predicate is
Predicate noun.
famous.
Predicate noun could be famous.
Peanuts
And
potatoes.
sweet potatoes.
Okay, and what can we underline twice as the predicate adjective?
Sweet.
Sweet. Very good.
Don't you underline from
Just one. No, if it's asking for the full predicate, yes. From is to the end of the sentence would be the full predicate.
Potatoes is also
Yes, but we are only going to underline one. Okay, number 2. Ala. Okay, the linking verb is was. So what's a predicate noun here? Cotton, farming, south, significant.
Isn't predicate noun isn't
A noun in the predicate.
no cotton farming? Isn't it adjective?
Farming is the predicate noun, and a predicate adjective could be cotton. Also, south is a predicate noun. Okay, continue. Number 3. Ali, can you do it? Carver.
Carver was a
Professor.
at Tuskegee in
Tuskegee.
Tuskegee for about 50 years. 50 years.
Okay. So which is the linking verb? Okay, repeat.
Was
Okay, was is the linking verb. Okay, can you give me the a predicate noun, please?
professor.
Okay. And can you give me a adjective, a predicate adjective?
50.
Okay, very good. Okay, who can do part B? Can I have someone else? Sajid, can you read the directions for part B?
Yes. Each sentence contains an incorrect from of an irregular verb. Write the correct from on the line. We had think today would be a good day to go skating.
Okay.
We had think. We had think.
We had, do we say thinked?
No.
What do we say?
Thought.
Excellent. So we had thought. Had thought. Would be correct. Number 2, can you do it, Ala? Indeed.
Okay. Indeed, the ice freezes solidly overnight.
Do we say freezed?
No froze.
Froze. Excellent. Abbas.
However, we have chose to go sledding instead. We have chosen
Have chosen. Excellent. Or you can say, you can just go to the simple past and say chose. It's correct.
Dylan has left his hat and golf at home. Leaves.
Okay, we would say has what?
Left.
Okay, has left. Okay, can you do number 5?
Sledding without my hat teach me a good lesson about cold weather. Uh, teach, taught.
Excellent. Very okay.
Choose the word in parentheses that correctly completes the sentence. Number 1. There will be an election for class officers tomorrow. The one in the middle.
Very good. There. Next one, Muhammad.
If you want to run for office, submit your name to Mr. Moran, the first one.
Excellent. Karen. Excuse me, Linda.
Who is going to run for class president?
Who is?
Okay, very good. 4.
Victor and Leia are two in the middle good candidates for treasure.
Excellent. Muhammad.
Students who run for election will have their name on the ballot.
Which one?
In the middle.
Excellent. Okay. Can you do the next one, Uday? Can you read it?
Our dog Scott liked to chase squirrel when we goes to the park.
What should it be?
Go.
Go to the park. So we should change from goes to go to with to, and we have to add to what do you have to add to the end of the sentence?
Point.
Okay, go to the park. Period. Very good. Okay, the next one. Can you do it, Ala?
She barks and chases them until they run up a tree. She barks and chases them until they run up the tree.
Until they run up the tree, up a tree. Okay, very good. The next one, Abbas.
No matter how fast Scout run, she never catches them. No matter how fast Scout runs, she never catches them, and a point.
It shouldn't be a question, it should be a point. Very good. Okay, the next one, number 4. Can you do it, Sajid?
Number 4. Arms. Arms. Capital letter.
Excellent.
Arms. They say in the trees. Scan. No, come on.
Okay.
Scan, sit, and bark at the squirrels.
Very good. So once they're safe in the trees, Scout sits and barks at the squirrels. Excellent. Yes?
There is supposed to be J''R''E.
Excellent. Very good. Okay, the next one. Can you do it, Ali?
Think it is the chase that industrial scope. Point at the end.
Okay, very good. So you notice that it shouldn't be a comma, it should be a point. Okay, who can help Ali? Yes, Tala?
I think should be thinks.
Okay. Yes, Abbas? Okay, very good. Everyone thinks it is the chase that interests Scout. Okay. Very good. All right, the next slide. Who can help with this one? Muhammad?
Complete each sentence by the correct superlative form of the adjective in parentheses. Write the correct form on the line. John is the youngest member of our large family.
Okay. What about you, Adai? Can you do the next one?
Brianna is the oldest.
Excellent. Can you do the next one, Sajid?
I am the shortest girl in the family.
Okay, very good. Can you do the next one, Linda?
Mom says John was the largest baby of all.
Okay, great. Muhammad?
Now that John is talking, he is the noisiest member of the family.
Very good. Yes, Karen?
Number 6, James is the big child, biggest, B-I-G-G.
Okay, excellent. Yes, Tala?
The mornings at our house are busiest around 8 p.m.
Excellent. Busiest. Okay, the last one. Yes, Ali?
That is the lovely time of your day, loveliest.
Liveliest. Okay, now can someone help me with part F? Can you read it, please, Ala?
Write the correct comparative from the adjective in the parentheses. Anthony's house is close to mine, and David's house is even closer.
Very good. Abbas?
Jackson Street is busy, but Jefferson Street is busier.
Great. Can you do the next one, Adai?
Julia's
Scooter?
is fast, but her bike is faster.
Muhammad, Ali?
The weather is hot today, but it will be even hotter tomorrow.
Excellent. Okay, and Ali?
That is a nice spot for a
Picnic?
but this spot is
Spot?
nice, better.
Nicer. Okay, let's do the next one. Can I have Karen? Karen, can you read?
Are you feeling better today, Logan? Asked Mother.
How can we change this to make it correct?
We can remove glitter and write better.
Okay.
And quotation marks around joking.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's correct. Okay, the next one. Who can help with this one? Yes, Tala?
I'm still not feeling my wellness, but I felt much better yesterday. I'm still not feeling my best, but I felt much worse yesterday.
Excellent. The next one. Yes, Muhammad Ali?
I hope you got many hours of sleep last night than the night before, said Morgan. Got more.
Okay, got more. Is anything else missing here?
And number 2, you didn't put any quotation marks.
It's okay. It wasn't necessary, but in number 3 it is necessary. Can you please, Tala, can you do it?
No, I hope you got more hours to sleep last night than the night before. With quotation marks.
Okay, so we must put quotation marks here. Where do we close it?
At the door.
After the comma, right? Okay, great. Number 4, Linda?
I did, Judy said. I got much gooder sleep last night. Quotation marks, I did, Judy. I did. I got much better sleep.
I got much better. Don't forget to put your commas after the last word, after it opens the before you close the quotation marks. If there's no punctuation, you should put a comma if the speaking is continued. Okay? The last one, Abbas.
Get the muchest rest you can, and tomorrow you will feel wonder, said Mother. Quotation marks. Grass should be the first capital. Muchest should be much.
Most.
Can I read?
And can you close this
Dweller should be better.
And then what do we do? Very good. Excellent. Excellent.
Can I read?
Yes, Muhammad, read.
Read the passage and circle the five mistakes. Correct the mistakes of the right arrange. The school assembly will take place. This must put it this afternoon in the school
Gymnasium.
all students must be seated in the gym. Principal Waka will recognize the following students for their top achievement in an a science fair.
In the science fair. Okay, continue, please.
Linda, apostrophe,
You mean comma?
Tara, Abbas, Karim, Muhammad Ali, Sajid, Ali, Ala, Ulay, and Muhammad. These students from this
Okay.
should sit with Mrs. Stratton by the stage.
Excellent. By the stage. Okay, who can do the next one? Yes, Linda, start.
Complete each sentence with the correct superlative form of the adjective and parentheses. Write the correct form underlined. John is the youngest member of our large family.
Can you please look at the slide and try to find the similar one to the slides?
Read each sentence with brackets around incorrect comparative or superlative adjectives. Rewrite each sentence correctly underlined lines if the sentence is correct. Write it. San Antonio is one of the most interesting cities in Texas. San Antonio is one of the most interesting cities.
Very good. So we would say not interestingest because it's not a word. We would say most interesting. The next one, please.
It is also one of the most largest the state. We move most its largest.
Excellent. Number 3, Karen.
Houston is the only city in Texas larger than San Antonio. Correct.
Excellent. Okay, number 4. Go ahead, Ali.
San Antonio is a much more older city than
Houston.
Houston. More.
We remove more. Excellent. So it's a much older city than Houston. Yes, Abbas.
In fact, it's one of the most oldest cities in the United States. It should be a most to be removed.
Excellent. So we remove most. Part 3 is writing. It says, a myth is a traditional, usually ancient story involving supernatural beings, ancestors, or heroes. It is used to explain aspects of the natural world or to show psychology, customs, or ideals of a society. Myths exist in every culture across the globe. Write a well-organized myth to explain one of the following: a zebra's stripes, eruption of volcanoes, birds fly, fish swim, or it snows. Do any of you have any good ideas to write about? Yes, Linda? You think you have some ideas for writing about the zebra stripes?
Yeah.
Where do you think it got its stripes from?
I guess no, in ancient times something happened to it.
So you're gonna make up a story about it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Let's start now, and then I can correct them and give them to you to revise, and we can work on it from there. Okay? Anyone else would like to give another idea? No? Okay.